All right. Good morning, everybody. This is going to be the daily watch list for Stocks and Play Daily coming into January 9th, Monday, 2023. Good morning to you all. Thanks for checking in. A couple of stocks we'll go over today just to check some levels and see if anything pops off. First on the list, we got CDXS. Grabbing the 50-day moving average here. China in talks with Pfizer for a license to generic version of Paxlovid. It is a COVID treatment, and CDXS provides them the enzyme, and Pfizer creates the drug. Currently at $5.50 a share. If it grabs a 50-day and pops above there, 50 days currently at $5.46 a share. Next targets could be $5.91, 6 flat, and maybe like $6.45 for CDXS. Room to run, room to work. We got up to 671 potentially. Okay, C and CE next on the list. So far today, falling off a little here. Currently at $7.09 a share. Concert Pharmaceuticals. No recent news that I see. Stocks popping though on heavy volume above the 1-year highs of approximately 734. Ah, this is sick. And before these 2-year ranges here, 794. Yeah, let's see. It looks like a break above 786 is going to be good. 786 leaves open a gap fill up to 980. That's for CNCE on a 2-year chart. Heavy resistance will be coming in the meantime at 837, 868. Got about 3-part move available for CNCE. ARDC. Alright. Super strong move coming out of the gate. Friday, currently at $11.98 a share. If this wants to target the 50-day moving average, that might be able to meet us somewhere around $12.50. Declares a monthly distribution, 10 cents a share on 12/9. And this is ARDC. Next possible level up here, it could be about 12.15, 12.35. ARDC. Okay, moving on. We got Howl. Howl is Werewolf Therapeutics. That's right. Alright, fat sell back off from its pop up here. Looks like there was a upgrade or a start out by EF Hutton with an 830 price target. They're currently at 225 a share. That looks to be like it was on Thursday. Levels to work towards here. Friday's consolidation level of 239. And targeting 245. 248. And then 260. 260, it gives range for a target of 270, and the highs of Friday, 294. Alright, that's Howl. HOWL. CTMX, 252 a share. 247 a share. Price target adjusted to $3.20 from $2.60 by BMO. Looks like Myrna announced strategic research collaboration for RNA research, and this company got sympathy off of that. Collaborate with Moderna. Oh yeah, they're gonna collab with Moderna. Nice. This is CTMX, currently at $2.49 a share. Targets are 270. Friday morning range of 280. About 285. And maybe like 295. Grab an establishment on the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is around $2, give or take. The 200-day moving average is around $6.20. CTMX. Not bad. I like it. Okay, next up on the list, we got CVAC. I seen this one popping off already this morning. Preliminary data on COVID-19 and flu shots. Jefferies upgraded the stock to a buy and raised the price target to $21 from $9. Wow. By the way, Jefferies is on the list too. Jefferies has earnings today after hours. Japan's Mitsui Financial Group plans to extend its partnership alliance with Jefferies to Europe and Asia. Reclaiming 3842. $38.43-ish will be, maybe $38.45 will be a bullish sign, and we could possibly test up towards the highs of last Thursday, about $40. Excuse me. And this is a 5-year chart breakout. 2-year chart. Actually, no, it's not even that. It's not at all. It's working on a 1-year breakout. 2-year highs are up at $44 for Jefferies. CTMX. CVAC, I mean, is where I was at, I believe, here. Yeah. Alright, that's CVAC. Very strong morning so far. CTMX working with Moderna. It's a good one. I like that. All right. We got CVAC. We did ROIC next. Solid bounce here off of the 50-day moving average, it looks like. Currently at $15.28 a share. Potential targets of 1550, 1575, 16 flat, and then the 200 days coming in around 1630, give or take, for ROIV. We need, wow, completely did the wrong name there, sorry. ROIV. Here it is, a better looking chart to work with. Some levels being popped above and tested here, blown out. Pop above 938. It's going to be bullish. 940 actually. Friday we hit 940 exactly. Breakout above 940 could lead us up to here 952 and 976. 10 flat and 1015 look in play as well for ROIV. Next up we got OR. It's a gold stock, I believe. Currently at $12.80 a share. Breakout here above levels of approximately 1285, 1283, 1275, no, 1288 here. And we could test 1295, $13 range. Above 1309, we have a small gap fill at 1315. Breaking into the 13 range puts you up into a $13 to $14 potential range here. But if the breakout of this type of move size continues, we could be aiming for about 1450, give or take. 1425 maybe for OR. Alright. Next up and last on the basic list, cheaper names, smaller market caps. IMNM. Stock's getting started here. with a strong move with the 50 and 200 day moving averages coming close to each other. They touched briefly and faded back down below it. If this could hold, if IMNN can hold approximately 350, it looks like, I'd say. Actually, it's approximately like the $4 range. $4.15, $4 needs to hold. We have potential to work towards the highs of 624, currently at 470 a share. 624, 708. Maybe like 850. So that's good moves. Good possibilities here. Back testing towards 580. Yeah, there's a lot of room to work with here. Cool. Just basically the range from Friday is something that we could definitely work on. I really want to see it hold 4.15 for this to be in play for IMNN. All right, let's go ahead and check a couple more, just real quick. I am also looking at some bigger names. Today, we'll be looking at Microsoft. Looking at Microsoft to bounce back up to the 50-day moving average here after a gap fill has occurred on the downside with a down overextension revert to mean. BA ripped above this long-term trend line here. 4-year trend line. Possibly aiming for the 200-day moving average around 227 a share. Give or take 228 a share for BA. PG. Looking for a breakout above 154.50 to test 157 and eventually claim 170 area, 168, 170 again. We'll see. PG, AMAT, AMAT. A heavy claim towards the 50-day moving average, bounced off the 200-day. A little stuck in the middle here for AMAT, but we'll see how today is with this. Looks like a potential gap up happening here. 50-day moving average is at 106.60, 106.80, give or take. Could be a spot to short if you don't like it for a long. PNR, Pentair. Sad day for them. Cross below the 200-day moving average. That's a bad sign. This could be a short potential opportunity. 43.44 on the downside. Costco. Tesla, of course, we're all watching. The carnage. There we go. Got that drawing off. Tesla making its moves. And Ferguson. Strong move up off the 50-day. Claiming it and trying to hold it. Looks like something here. Bounce back down to the 50-day moving average. Maybe in play. Or a 50% retracement down to 132. Down to 132 could still be in play for a move towards the levels of 143, give or take, for FERG. And that's going to do it for today. You guys have a good day. Good luck trading. And I'll catch you on the next list. Thanks for checking in.